STEM meets fashion, where science meets fashion. E-textile is a latest word in wearable technology. It is combining traditional fabrics with digital components. In this workshop today, you will learn about Sewable circuits using conductive threads, LEDs, and coin batteries. It's a fantastic way to blend in electronics into clothes, bags, shoes, anything you want. Using simple circuit boards, which is like a small tiny computer, you get a flavor of the latest in technology. This STEM workshop, you will elevate your learning to the new world of technology by integrating electronics into garments and into the fashion industry. Clothes that glow, bags that light up, and so much fun. A new dimension and a new way of innovative thinking for the next generation, that is you. Come join us for this amazing, fantastic next generation workshop and join us without much ado.